When Lord Rudra was disparaged by the Ksha and his army, Sitadevi was distressed with it, entered the flames at the Dakshayagya and burned herself into ashes. A deity was emerged from her ashes. Dhumavati is her name and is the fifth of Asamahavidya pantheon. She emerged between Parvati and Sitadevi and eventually merged with Parvati. Paple born during the times of Shatabdasha or Swati or Andrastas should worship her. Offer milk, water, vara, and dates to please her. Dhumavati appears in maroon complexion. She is tall, leaves her hair untied, has austere looks, appears like a widow, in contrast to her eternal consort Umarita, and had a unique second birth, emerged from Sitadevi ashes. A crow always reigns on the top of her chariot. Hands are as wide as a winnower, which signifies her ability to drive out everyone's evil attributes. Her hands also seem like fire, and she promises to fulfill the desires of those who worship her.